Okay, places. Are you guys clear with the rules already? Yeah? Okay. I'm just gonna read it one time. But if you guys have questions, you guys can ask now. Okay, first question. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Just checking, guys, relax. I'm nervous too.
Audio Jungle.
Disconnected. Connected.
All right, you guys ready? No, you guys not ready? Okay, we've been ready. Okay, maloy say, mlamot teme de lo mo ulo. No, don't put the music now. Turn it off. Should have got that ready before. Okay. Maloy say, tial program regi del dongot mo kerngi de el al kapse singay gire la tiale our ocean conference. The conference that is coming up in April will underline that a thriving ocean is essential to the prosperity of our communities, now and into the future. It will also underline that the ocean is also a source of sustainable solutions. Matal dongot mo kringir el alsil el challenge ball au tuy la gel 6 el categories el nia gel 6 el thematic themes el bol cover tel conference. مقتغرة الchallenge بو لا spread the awareness الجيرة لاجاجيد ال 6 thematic themes مقدر ديرق الموضوع أذر بيلاوي غرجيك الجيرة لاجاجيد الدومت مقل الجيرة لاذبيذ مع ذا بيلا بلول أذر روجير. Okay, malo ay say bodomol yak mamo o ay say gel rules or gel ground rules or challenge ball and then o ay say gel prices or challenge ball or di mo kurniya first ma second ma third place. Okay, alo ay say about the cover ay gel ground rules ma yagita gel ground rules albokulo ngui wulto gel. Players must raise paddle and be called upon to answer question. Once you answer a question wrong, you cannot answer the question again. Players have 40 seconds to discuss before answering. Players get 3 lifelines to assist with answering questions, 2 phone calls, and ask the audience. Lifelines will add an additional 40 seconds to your discussion time. In the event of a tie, there will be a final tie-breaking question. Okay? So once again, a third place at $200, second place at $300, first place at $500, and more I got groups, okay? I got teams are made up of 4 individuals in each team. All right? So to begin our challenge ball, loba asel mo more sa straw. Okay, asel more sengel kotel kamang straw ngu ngayida mo bigger theme el ball or bigger sel first el category el ball ask a question. So. Okay, malway say kung yung target team mal first komen mo subes kung mamastro sa kamiu and then introduce each team, my each member I got teams. All right. Go ahead and pick your straws. Ikaw ma-start tanggal ko tel kade ba straw ngil team. Okay, kamu dar sa gal straw kamil more bab. Ako tel kade. Okay, PG-13, okay? Malo I say, must start the team. Team Noelani, can you guys please stand up and introduce yourselves?
Individually? Okay. Good evening. My name is Kinlan Sikdiao. I'm a junior and I'm currently enrolled at Palau High School.
Ngilgap singing ang Clara Villarong Ulvay, junior at Palau High School, 17 years.
Talofa, I'm Nalia Ozu. I'm also a junior and I also go to PHS.
Aloha, good evening. My name is Kainoa Tamong. I'm a junior as well as all of us here. Good evening again. Yeah.
All right, team Noelani, besteklol prota. Ongerul kotel kadeb. Okay, team Aqua Squad. All right, so we're going to start off with you.
Mirap singing ang klaka tan matang heli ang senior Ramsenti.
Ngap singa klaka humiro ka ba nga senior Ramsenti.
Ngilgap singing ang Clara Chogorap Paloy nga senior Ramsenti.
Ngilgap singing ang Clara Buitel Baltao yak senior Ramsenti.
All right, tulutan mas tiraklol prot at Team Aqua Squad. As we move on to our next team, which is Team Sea Spiders. Whoa, okay. Go ahead and introduce yourselves, starting with you.
Ngilgap singay nga kang klakad ay din matratang ang ka 12th grade nga pala high school.
Hi, good evening. My name is Rina Jane Andres. I'm
Palau High School senior.
Ngilkop Singay. My name's Greta Udoy and I'm a senior at Palau High School.
Ngilkop Singay ang Clara Cheda Osi yang nga senior Palau High School.
All right, and lastly, with the longest straw, Team Masagu. Let's go ahead and introduce ourselves, starting with you.
Hello, good evening. My name's Jalen Tevid, and I attend Palau Community College.
Hi, good evening. Ang Clara Warang Paloy, and I'm a master's student in Taiwan.
Malagil ako sa nga ang Clara Shandy TV dengan ako ra hospital. Yes. So atsum kom so mil malatas tragobi to kom tim hospital sula.
Good evening. I'm Jude Masters, and our team was named after me in the water.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them all a big round of applause. Generation Ocean Challenge Bowl can now begin. Okay? With that said, you all have microphones on your tables. Please make sure your mics are on. Okay. Again, each team gets 40 seconds to discuss before answering. Starting off with Team Masagu. Is everybody ready? Team Masagu, please pick your category and your pointer.
Thank you, Alec. I pick climate
Alec?
change for Trebek.
I'm sorry?
That's not your name?
Oh, I get it. I was like, who's that?
Climate change for 5 points.
Climate change for 5 points. All right. The question is, Palau has been experiencing significant sea level rise. What caused this? Give an example. Okay, Team Nolani. Stand up and yeah.
The cause of the significant sea level rise is melting glaciers.
Multi-glaciers? Melting glaciers? Melting glaciers. Okay. Sorry, guys. Give them a big round of applause. That is correct. All right. And just so you know, if you guys are watching this live, we did no rehearsal at all. All right, so this is all live right here at Civic Center. So you guys can also come and join us here and watch the show. Okay, next piga category, Team Nolani. Since I'm correct, do I say yeah? Okay.
Hi. We choose sustainable fisheries for 5 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 5 points. The question is, almost blank % of the world's marine fish stocks are now fully exploited, overexploited. Okay. Also, a rule that was not in the paper, that was in the ground rules, was that you have to ask the questions, or you have to raise your paddle after the question has been read. So Team Masagiu will be awarded that one. Why say, are you, eh?
%90.
Kamlo to repeat?
90%.
90%, okay. That is correct. Okay, which means that Team Masagiu will get to pick a category. Pick your category and your points.
We'll choose marine protected areas. 5 points.
5 points. All right. The question is, when did the Palau National Marine Sanctuary, PNMS, go into full effect? All right, Team Sea Spiders. What is your answer?
January 1st, 2020.
That is correct. Okay, again, make sure to wait till the question has been read and then raise your paddles. All right? Team Sea Spiders, please pick your category and your points.
We'll go with marine pollution, 5 points.
Marine pollution for 5 points. 24.4 trillion pieces and growing of this item make up the big little problem that is plaguing our ocean. What is it? Okay, I saw sea spiders. Sea spiders, sorry, go ahead, go.
Microplastics.
Microplastic is correct. All right. Sea spiders. Please pick your next category and your points.
Sustainable blue economy, 5 points.
Sustainable blue economy for 5 points. In 2006, Micronesian leaders made a big, bold commitment to care for nature by declaring the Micronesia Challenge to effectively conserve at least blank of the nearshore marine resources and blank of the terrestrial resources across Micronesia by the year 2020. Okay. Masagiu.
The first blank is 30%, and the second blank is 20.
All right. The Micronesia Challenge will effectively conserve at least 30% of the nearshore marine resources and 20% of the terrestrial resources across Micronesia by the year 2020 is correct. All right, Masagiu, please pick your next category and your points.
We'll go for maritime security, 5 points.
Maritime security for 5 points. What is the purpose of the maritime security and why is it important to Palau? All right, Team Nolani.
Maritime security is the general term for the protection of vessels both internally and externally, and protects areas from terrorism, piracy, robbery, trafficking of goods and people, and illegal fishing and pollution.
Yes, it protects Palau's waters. Great job. Okay, Team Nolani, you get to pick our next category and points.
We'll go with climate change for 4 points.
Climate change for 4 points. What kind of production must decline by roughly 6% in the next 10 years in order to keep the globe's temperature from rising 1.5 degrees Celsius? Team Masagiu.
Is fossil fuels.
Fossil fuel is correct. Team Masagiu, please pick your next category and your points.
Marine pollution, 4 points.
Marine pollution, 4 points. All right. Which agency in Palau is in charge of giving fines for oil spill incidents or reef collision incidents from container ships? Sea Spider.
EQPB, also known as Environmental Quality Protection Board.
That is correct. Great job. Okay, Team Sea Spiders, please pick your next category and points.
Sustainable points.
Sustainable fisheries for 4 points. Sustainable fisheries, not blue economy. Ay, 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 ay. All right. Half of the world's fish is caught by 7 major economies. Can you name 3? Masagiu? No? Oh, Nolani, go ahead.
So the 3 I can name is South Korea, mainland China, and Japan.
That is correct. Okay, Team Nolani, please pick your next category.
We'll go with marine
points.
protected areas for 2 points.
Marine protected areas for 2 points. The question is, Palau prides itself in being the very first blank blank in the world, protecting these creatures from being caught for their fins. Team Masagiu.
Shark Sanctuary.
Shark Sanctuary is correct for 2 points. Okay, please pick your next category and points.
We'll choose maritime security, 4 points.
Marine security. Oh, maritime security for 4 points. Name the 3 neighboring EEZ countries surrounding Palau. Team Sea Spiders.
Indonesia, Philippines, and FSM.
That is correct. Okay, Sea Spiders, you get to pick our next category and points.
Sustainable blue economy, 4 points.
Sustainable blue economy for 4 points. On August 11, 2020, the Palau Bureau of Tourism, Sustainable Travel International, and Slow Food have launched a new project in Palau that aims to mitigate the tourism sector's carbon footprint and establish Palau as the world's first blank destination. Aqua? Aqua.
Carbon neutral tourism destination.
Carbon neutral tourism is correct. Okay, Aqua Squad, go ahead and pick our next category.
Marine protected areas, 4 points.
Marine protected areas for 4 points. How many MPAs has Palau established? Masagiu.
35.
That is correct. Currently, there are 35 MPAs throughout Palau, encompassing all major habitat types. All right. Team Masagiu, pick our next category and points.
Climate change, 3 points.
Climate change for 3 points. What causes ocean acidification and how does it affect clams? Team Aqua.
Carbon acidification is caused by the buildup of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which the ocean absorbs. And the clams are affected by it because it makes it harder for them to find the necessary materials and ocean temperature to build their shells.
That is correct. Okay, Team Aqua Squad, pick our next category and points.
Marine pollution, 2 points.
Marine pollution, 2 points. Where is the world's largest garbage patch? Team Sea Spiders.
Pacific Ocean.
Pacific Ocean is correct. Okay, Team Sea Spiders. Pick our next category and your points.
Marine protected areas, 3 points.
Marine protected areas for 3 points. Palau is the first nation on earth to change its immigration laws for the cause of an environmental protection. What did we create to accomplish this? Team Aqua.
Palau Pledge.
Palau Pledge is correct. All right, Team Aqua, please pick a category and points.
Maritime security for 2 points.
Maritime security for 2 points. Question is, what unit of measurement do maritime vessels typically use to calculate speed? Team Sea Spiders.
Nautical miles.
Nautical miles is correct. 2 points. Team Sea Spiders, please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable blue economy, 3 points.
Sustainable blue economy for 3 points. Blank seeks to promote economic growth and preserve and improve livelihood across a range of sectors while ensuring the sustainable use of marine resources. Okay, Team Masagiu.
Sustainable blue economy.
Sustainable blue economy is right.
Damn right.
Team Masagiu, please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable fisheries for 3 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 3 points. Name at least one traditional sustainable fishing method. Aqua, Team Aqua Squad.
Boob. Boob. Boob.
Boob is correct. Traditional trap. All right. Team Aqua, please pick our next category and points.
Marine pollution for 3 points.
Marine pollution for 3 points. Plastic is almost always mistaken by turtles for this delicious sea creature. What is it? All right, Team Aqua, please answer that question.
Jellyfish.
That is correct. All right, Team Aqua, please pick our next category and points.
Maritime security for 3 points.
Maritime security for 3 points. Okay, so Palau's EEZ, Exclusive Economic Zone, refers to the boundary of Palau's waters where we have the right to regulate the natural resources within its boundaries for fishing and non-fishing industries. So what percentage of Palau's EEZ is closed to all forms of extractive activities, including all types of fishing, and what remaining percentage is opened to fishing solely for Palau's food security and the domestic market? Team Nolani.
80% is, what's that? Closed. 80% is closed and the remaining is 20%.
That is correct. Okay, let me clarify that, okay? 80% of Palau's EEZ is closed, 20% creates the domestic fishing zone, DFZ, so correct. Thank you. Okay, Team Nolani, please pick our next category and points.
We choose climate change for 2 points.
Climate change for 2 points. Blank is the total amount of greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide and methane, that are generated by our actions. Team Aqua.
Carbon footprint.
That is correct. Team Aqua, please pick your next category and points.
Sustainable fisheries for 2 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 2 points. Okay, bottom trawling involves pulling a fish net along the sea floor. It is also referred to as dragging and easily destroys seafloor ecosystems that took centuries or millennia to establish. When did Palau enact the law to ban bottom trawling? Team Masagiu.
2006.
2006 is correct. Phew. Okay, Masagiu, please pick the next category.
Sustainable blue economy for 2
Sustainable blue economy. For how many?
2 points.
2 points, okay. A single blank has a lifetime value of 1.9 million and a fished value of $108. Team Aqua.
A shark.
A shark is correct. Please pick our next category. Down to 1 point.
Marine pollution for 1 point.
Marine pollution for 1 point. What is the most common type of pollution in the ocean? So common it makes up 80% of all trash in the ocean. All right, Aqua.
Plastic.
Team Aqua.
Plastic.
Plastic is correct. Okay, Team Aqua, please pick our next category.
Sustainable fisheries.
Sustainable fisheries. What is sustainable fishery? Sea spiders.
Okay. Sustainable fishery is fishing at a certain area, leaving resources and fish to flourish.
That is correct. All right, sea spiders, please pick our next category.
Marine protected area, 1 point.
Marine protected area. Areas. Okay, what is the Palauan word for a moratorium declared Palau's traditional leaders that places an immediate halt to the overconsumption or destruction of a species, place, or thing? Team Masagiu.
Bull.
Bull is correct. Okay, Masagiu, please pick our next category.
Climate change, 1 point.
Climate change. Can you name at least, not can you name, please name at least one warning sign the ocean is giving us to let us know it is in trouble? Aqua, Team Aqua.
Increased typhoons or droughts.
Increased typhoons and droughts is correct. Also, sea level rise, drastic pattern changes in migratory marine animals, coral bleaching, and the disappearance of jellyfish in our lake. Please pick our next category.
Sustainable blue economy for 1 point.
Okay, here is your question. Name an example of renewable energy. Okay, Team Aqua.
Solar power.
Solar power is correct. Go ahead and choose which one. All right. Maritime security for 1 point. Here's your question. Which country donated to Aqua? Oh, sorry. You raised before it finished. Masagiu gets the points. Masagiu gets the question.
Australia.
Australia is correct. Phew. All right. Give yourself a big round of applause. That was round one of our Generation Ocean Challenge Bowl. We're going to take a little break. You guys can go ahead and take that little break as we get ready for round two. We got more questions coming right up. Coming to you live on TMC. You can go ahead and leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sulang. Please go ahead and help yourself to some light refreshments in the back. You got some food. You got that smile on your face because you want that food. All right. As we get ready for round two.
살면서하게 행복하다 나오므로 리베라하게 와우 이모게다 나오마 박림다 우마 약속을 걸어서 양띠네 아무먹게 우와우 이모게다 나오마 박림다 우마 약속은 걸어서 양띠네 아무먹게 알다보는 게 이게 막 말아봐 빈삼들루게 예딩 소머로 내게 얀매당무 엔디가 야모골 같디야운 우마오고 이모게나 나고마닥임다고마 약속은 먹을랑소 양비네 가문에게 우바오고 이모게나 나고마닥임다고마 약속은 먹을랑소 양비네 가문에게 I'm stunned about the boy baby my love's gonna drive me crazy I'm stunned about the boy baby one stick is done nothing sweeter than 이모게다 나고마닥임 야우마 약속은 먹을랑소 양띠네 가문마게 우마오고 이모게다 나고마닥임 야우마 약속은 먹을랑소 양띠네 가문마게
Okay, guys, I get paddles, sir. Put your paddles in front of the table. Okay, face down. If for round 2, if you raise the paddle before the question is done, you will not be able to answer that question. Okay? So this round 2, please Romal make sure o ilang question el momrek and then order sa paddle. Okay? So don't hold it. Make sure that your hands are not there and you wait until the question is done and then mamalaringin. Okay? Don't be holding the paddle while the question is still being read.
Full of old
Okay, 2 minutes till we start.
I don't want to overplay.
Okay, 20 seconds on the clock. Ten. 5. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our Generation Ocean Challenge Bowl 2022 here at Civic Center. Thank you all for joining us. Let's give another big round of applause to all our participants for joining today, making our Challenge Bowl a success. All right, let's please place our paddle boards in front of our table. Okay, and let me just give you guys your standing scores at the moment. All right, starting with Team Aqua Squad at 23 points. Team Masagiu at 27 points. Team Sea Spiders at 23 points. And Team Nolani at 17 points. All right, and just a reminder, our prizes are for first, second, and third place. Third place is $200, second place is $300, and first place is $500. All right, and each participant, you all get a swag bag from PVA with lots of great stuff in it. We got a little canteen, Building Generation Ocean canteen. You get a little lunch box. All right. You also get yourself utensils for your lunch box. And you get the exclusive PVA sunglasses. These are very, very expensive, one of a kind sunglasses. All right? Made by somebody. All right. Okay. Okay, with that said, we're starting our second round with Court. Are we starting off with the Team Nolani? All right, we're starting off with Team Nolani. So Team Nolani, please go ahead and pick our category and points.
Okay, we choose climate change for 5 points.
Climate change for 5 points. What is the difference between global warming and climate change? Team Sea Spiders.
The difference between global warming and climate change is that global warming is the rising temperature of the surface of the earth, and climate change is the warming, including the side effects of the climate, and such as melting glaciers, drought, and heavy rainstorm.
All right, that is correct for Team Sea Spiders. All right, everybody, please place your paddles back. Team Sea Spiders, please pick your next category and points.
We'll go for sustainable fisheries, 5 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 5 points. What is pelagic fish? And give an example of a common pelagic fish caught in Palau. Team Nolani.
Okay, pelagic fish is fish that are found in the pelagic zone, and one example is tuna.
All right, that is correct. Team Nolani, please pick your category and your points.
For our next category, we choose maritime security for 5 points.
Maritime security for 5 points. How many crew members is the minimum number required to sail a 32-meter Guardian class offshore patrol vessel like the Ghadam and Ramalig 2? Okay, Team Aqua.
15 members.
15 members is correct. Team Aqua, please pick your next category and points.
Marine pollution for 5 points.
Marine pollution for 5 points. All right, there are 7 different types of plastics. Each one is different from the other and has different uses. For example, some types of plastic are reusable and others aren't because of the chemicals they contain. Some may be recycled and others need to be disposed of in a different way. What kind of plastics can be recycled in Palau? Ooh. Team Masagiu.
Plastics number 2, plastics number 4, and plastics number 5.
That is correct. Please pick our next category.
Marine protected areas, 5 points.
Marine protected areas for 5 points. When did Palau establish its first MPA? Masagiu.
(1956).
1956 is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable blue economy, 5 points.
Sustainable blue economy for 5 points. Now that 2020 has arrived, Micronesian leaders have committed to the Micronesian Challenge 2030 goal for effective management that will increase from 30 to blank of marine resources and from 20 to blank of terrestrial resources across Micronesia. It wasn't done yet, yeah. Okay, we were gonna disqualify all of you guys. Okay, that will be an exception, but please do not do that again, okay? Trust me, you don't wanna do it again. Nolani will get this one because you guys all raised your paddles after, but Nolani was the first, okay?
So from 30 to 50% of marine resources and from 20 to 30% of terrestrial resources.
That is correct. Team Nolani, please pick your next category and points. Mike. Say it on the mic, please.
Climate change, 4 points.
Okay, here is your question. Climate change for 4 points. How does sea level rise affect turtles? Team Aqua.
Turtle nesting beaches will be lost.
That is correct. Team Aqua, please pick our next category and points.
Marine pollution for 4 points.
Marine pollution for 4 points. What is the average working life of a plastic bag? Team Masagiu.
10 to 15 minutes.
That is correct. Okay, Team Masagiu, please pick our next category and points.
We choose maritime security, 4 points.
Maritime security for 4 points. What does the term dark target mean? Team Aqua.
The term dark target means it's unidentified or like vessels that have gone into the EEZ zone without permits or permission.
That is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable fisheries for 4 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 4 points. What is the controlled cultivation, farming, of aquatic organisms such as fish, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and other organisms of value such as aquatic plants. Team Masagiu.
Aquaculture.
Aquaculture is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Marine protected areas, 4 points.
Marine protected areas for 4 points. What is Palau's first formally protected area? Noelani.
Nguruguwith Conservation Area.
70 Islands is correct. Nguruguwith Conservation Area. Okay, please pick our next category and points. Team Noelani.
Sorry, we choose sustainable blue economy for 4 points.
All right, sustainable blue economy, our last 4 points. Name an objective of the blue economy. Team Masagiu. Oh. Team Masagiu.
Based on sustained fishing.
That is correct.
Marine pollution, 3 points.
Marine pollution for 3 points. Which state led the initiative for better waste management, including the proper ways to handle trash in Palau? Team Noelani at team Masagiu, I'm the other seat. Okay, mo sube sa tira that team lo mesa sing le team Aqua le first to raise. So team Aqua.
Water State with their 3R initiative, reuse, reduce, recycle, and an example is the Eco Glass Gallery at KSG SWM.
That is correct.
Climate change for 3 points.
Climate change for 3 points. The production of algae, the foundation of the Arctic food web, depends on the presence of sea blank. Okay, Team Aqua.
Ice.
Ice is correct. Pick our next category and points.
Sustainable fisheries for 3 points.
Sustainable fisheries for 3 points. Okay, this one is a multiple choice question, so wait until the last, okay? In terms of food supply, the average Palauan resident consumes blank of seafood each year, which is over 3 times the global average. A, approximately 149 pounds, 67.7 kilos. B, approximately 75 pounds or 34.02 kilos. C, approximately 175 pounds or 79.38 kilos. Or D, less than 75 pounds, 34.02 kilos. All right, Aqua.
A, 149 pounds or 67.7 kilos.
Kamluta.
Approximately 149 pounds or 67.7 kilos.
All right, that is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable blue economy for 3 points.
All right, here is your question. In order to make blue tourism more sustainable, Palau further developed blank tourism in efforts to limit treading on the marine environment. Team Noelani.
Green tourism.
Green tourism is correct. Please pick our next category.
Marine
and
protected
points.
areas, 3 points.
Marine protected areas for 3 points. Okay. Question is, what percentage of the world's oceans is protected by MPAs? Team Masagiu.
%5?
That is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Maritime security, 3 points.
Maritime security for 3 points. What does the term IUU stand for? Team Aqua.
Illegal, unregulated, and unreported activities.
That is correct. Great job. Please pick our next category and points.
Climate change, 2 points.
Climate change for 2 points. Climate change causes the change of oceanic blank and consequently affects the environment for fish. Sea spiders.
Currents.
Currents is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Marine protected areas, 2 points.
Marine protected areas, 2 points. What year did the PNMS Act get signed into law? Noelani.
The year 2015.
That is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Marine pollution, 2 points.
Marine pollution for 2 points. What is the estimated number of marine animals that die every year from plastic entanglement and indigestion? Team Masagiu.
100,000. 100,000.
That is correct. 100,000. Please pick our next category and points.
We'll take a 1 point from marine pollution.
Marine pollution for 1 point. I'm just kidding, 1 point. What two countries are the biggest plastic polluters in the world? Sea spiders.
China and Indonesia.
That is correct. Okay, please pick our next category and points, or point.
Maritime security, 2 points.
All right. Here is your maritime security question. Okay, so this has a little bit of a background. So let me read the background first. Long line fishing refers to trailing a long line or main line behind a boat. Baited hooks are attached to the nets at intervals to attract the target species. Long lines can be set for pelagic, midwater, or demersal, bottom fishing, depending on the target species. A purseine is a large wall of netting deployed around an entire area or school of fish. The lead line is then pulled in, pursing the net closed on the bottom, preventing fish from escaping by swimming downward and capturing everything that it surrounds. Here is the question. Which type of fishing is not allowed in the domestic fishing zone, long line fishing, or purseine fishing? Okay, Team Aqua.
Purseine fishing.
Purseine is correct. Please pick our next category and points.
Sustainable fisheries for 2 points.
Okay, sustainable fisheries for 2 points. In 2019, Palau made the initiative to switch from reef fish consumption to promoting blank consumption. Noelani.
Pelagic fish consumption.
That is correct. Noelani, please pick our next category and point, or points.
Sustainable blue economy for 2 points.
Sustainable blue economy. When did Palau ban reef toxic sunscreen? Sea spiders.
2020.
That is correct. Please pick our next category and point. Or just pick our next category.
Marine protected areas.
All right, marine protected areas. Name one benefit of MPA. Sea spiders.
Natural resource protection, which manages human activities and allow resources and living creatures in the ocean to flourish.
That is correct. Great job. Sea spiders, please pick our next category.
Sustainable blue economy.
All right, sustainable blue economy, our last question. on sustainable blue economy. Give an example of traditional ocean industry that's part of the blue economy. Sea spiders.
Tourism.
Tourism is correct. Please pick our next category.
Climate change.
Last question on climate change. This may happen to corals when sea temperatures rise, and studies have found chemicals in sunscreen can also cause this. Masagiu.
Coral bleaching.
Coral bleaching is correct. Please pick our next category. Which one are you going to go for?
We will choose sustainable fisheries.
Oh, okay. Sustainable fisheries it is. There are 12 species of giant clam in the world. How many out of 12 does Palau have? Sea spiders.
8.
8 is correct. Okay, last question for our round 2. Which country donated the Qadam? Masagiu.
Japan.
Hi, arigato gozaimasu. Japan is correct. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our participants a big round of applause for completing round 2. Now we wait as they tally the scores. All right. By a raise of hands, tell me how confident you are today that you're going to win. All right, well, at least by a raise of hands, how many of you guys had fun with this challenge? All right, great job. So, this is a surprise. We're going to go into a bonus round. Okay, this bonus round will not be on the board. Or will it? Okay, got it. Okay, it won't. Sorry, it won't. Okay, so I'm going to start with 2 points, and we're going to make our way to 6 points so you can really win. Okay, this could be a real game changer. Here we go. First question for our bonus round is a true or false question. Okay, all eyes on the participants. Put your paddles where they belong. Okay. Sponges are younger than dinosaurs. Masagiu. Sponges are younger than dinosaurs. True
False.
or false? Okay, Team Masagiu says it's false. That is correct. False. Dinosaurs emerged 250 million years ago, whereas sponges have been around for more than 500 million years ago. All right. Even dinosaurs wash their plates. Just kidding. Okay. Next bonus question. For 2 points. What is the Palawan word for reef? Team Aqua. Lifeline. Okay, they're going to use their lifeline. Can they use their lifeline on the bonus questions? Yes, they can. Okay, they're going down to the audience. They might have made a mistake. Anybody in the audience can help her. You can yell it out. Okay, they wanted to do an audience.
Almol.
Almol is correct. I can't believe you guys. Okay. 2 points for Team Aqua. Okay, here's another 2-pointer question. Ready? Where is the deepest part of the ocean on Earth? Aqua it is.
The Marianas Trench.
The Marianas Trench is correct. Okay, now moving up to 4 points. Okay, 4 points. The question is, how many types of jellyfish can be found in Jellyfish Lake? Wait. Can you name them? Sea spiders.
There are two, which is the golden jellyfish and the moon jellyfish.
That is correct. The golden jellyfish and the moon jellyfish. All right, here we go for 4 points. What marine animal's bones is used for Palawan High Chief bracelets? Aqua.
Masagiu.
Masagiu is correct. Okay. This is our last question for our bonus round. Okay. For 6 points, what is the Palawan word for seahorse? Sea spiders.
Kabasos.
Kabasos is correct. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, give them another big round of applause. Woo! It was tense. It was crazy. Yes, you guys did it. You made it through our Generation Ocean Challenge Bowl 2022. All right, participants, give yourself a big round of applause. No, not you, audience. I'm just kidding. All right. Okay, scores are being tallied right now, and then right after that, we're gonna go ahead and announce our winners. Again, everybody gets a baggie, a swag bag from PVA. So all the participants get a swag bag from PVA. All right, so if you guys didn't get that many points, at least you guys get a prize, okay? And then you can check out these bags as well at PVA. Stop by Palau Visitors Authority. Check out all their activities, their events that are happening. You can also have a chance to win these items at one of the night markets or our upcoming events as well. So be in touch with Palau Visitors Authority. They have a Facebook page, they have an Instagram, so check them out. Okay, we'll be back in a few with the winning names.
I don't see other. Okay.
The ocean is our father, and the land is our mother.
فاخذت الكلو تطلل من عقل نقدر كغرل مع كلو ملغرو للغربيتات دلتا من أو تونغا كان قط الكلو ريسورس المركي ذا أذر بلاو
Family grew up the map abal all di ngarae makno tuir kaya gitu lo mangedalin ngarae malmut malasul algira la family gitu ma ada lang lede kita ada belau abo kumisringi ngo se kita ada belau mal close pa lede kyalrao mal maral close tutila lagi lede mga wol brother bet malasul lo se kita magarang mo dia ka ko milmay.
We need this world to know that we need this ocean as a small nation countries. Yeah, we all need to work together for our better future.
It means food and sometimes fun because food there's fish, there's skim, there's a lot of kind of food, and you can swim, you can play ball at the ocean, and yeah.
Abalo rebela wa mo ako traigal magikarelyums almo mga medal tial our ocean conference. Tial long ewi long di bra our ocean conference sa maski dati al mang moreng sa tigingit maklam dingirgit ar ibela wa mo all. Kadadire kalsu babebi ratokoy ma tuurar sa alit et makaloltaw tamere edlurior algire ladabet magire rar atat magire laklung yolet.
All right, you can still use the remaining break time to do whatever. Get a drink, get some refreshments as we wait for the score to be tallied. We'll be announcing that in just a little bit. Okay, and then students, please make sure to fill out that sheet with the email and your name. That's in Ngamalis. Okay, going on in 15. All right. Not going on in 15. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here are our scores. Starting off with our fourth place, please give a big round of applause. Coming in with 38 points, Team Noelani. Coming in third place with a total score of 46 points, please give a round of applause for Sea Spiders. And I have to announce this, there is a tie. 58 points for Team Masagiu and Team Aqua, which means that you have to do the tiebreaker question. Okay? Players, please get ready. Your answer will be written on a piece of paper. Okay? I will ask the question. You don't need to raise the paddle. You just need to write down your answer. The closest to the answer wins. Okay, please write your group name on the top left-hand corner of the paper. And write all your names. No, I'm just kidding. All right, you ready? Here we go. The tiebreaker question for Team Masagiu and Team Aqua Squad. How many people depend on small-scale fisheries and aquaculture for their livelihoods? How many people depend on small-scale fisheries and aquaculture for their livelihoods? In the whole world, how many people depend on small-scale fisheries and aquaculture for their livelihoods? All right, if you go over the number, it doesn't count. It has to be either the number or below. Okay? Once you are done, please raise your hand. Again, how many people in the world depend on small-scale fisheries and aquaculture for their livelihoods? It's a number, yeah. Okay. This is a big question for our last one, and it is from Dr. Lowe from Pickrick, thematic lead for sustainable fisheries. So it is an important question, and if you wrote a number, the closest to the number will win. But if you go over the number, then you do not win. Okay, that's cue for dramatic music. No, this is the tiebreaker of tiebreakers. Exact numbers. All right, 20 seconds on the clock. Ten, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Team Aqua, how confident are you guys with your answer? Okay. It's probably why you're eating. Kind of helps with the stress. Tell me about it. All right, Team Masagiu, you guys confident with your answer? Yes, that's the spirit. Phew. There we go. Okay. Team Masagiu came up with 1.23 million. Okay. Team Aqua Squad had this big formula and came out with 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion. Okay. The study that came out by Dr. Lowe from Pickrick. Low Classens from Pickrick came out with 800 million. If you went over, you don't get it. So please give a big round of applause for Team Masagiu. Which places Team Aqua in second place, which places Sea Spiders in third place, and Noelani in fourth place. Everybody, please give them a big round of applause. Let's give a big round of applause to our third place winners. Please stand up in front of the screen as we take your pictures. Third place, Sea Spiders, winner of $200. Oh, before you go, so kami subes. Kulungit tara. Artiang director. Oh, there, Director Palau Visitors Authority. Niya kadoy, please mem award aygal. Awards again more to third, second, and first place. Okay, Sea Spiders, third place. Everybody give them a big round of applause. Woohoo! Winner of $200. Basta upload po, tangkay dawan na kadol nga rulem. There, where Chloe is. All right, great job, everybody. Sea Spiders coming in second place. Straklol Pro Team Aqua Squad. Winner of $300. All right. The award that first place, maybe the ngasya sing lawan tigel fourth place. Thank you for participating. Please stand for a photo with your swag bags. You guys did a tremendous job in our first Challenge Bowl 2022. Let's give them a big round of applause, everybody. Big round of applause. Get up there. Let's take that photo. Swag bag, Team Noelani. All right, another big round of applause, everybody, for Team Noelani. Great job, guys. Great job. All right. Thank you. All right, we can all go home now. No, just kidding. And winning our first Generation Ocean Challenge Bowl. Give them a big round of applause. Team Basagu. There we go. You can put on your shades. There we go. The Palau Visitors Authority exclusive sunglasses. There we go. Winner of $500. Yeah. Team Muskegon. All right, can we get all the teams in there? Let's get all the teams in there for one big group photo. Let's go. Let's do this in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. 5, short one to the front. 5, 4, 3. Yakaw, makaw. There we go. Oh, get it. One more time, everybody. Let's give them a big round of applause. Great job. 2022 Challenge Bowl. Check. Woohoo. All right, you can all go home now.